Are you being annoyed by the Sppobjs Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Avoid long manual edits for Sppobjs Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Sppobjs Library, the software protection platform objects library. It facilitates the localized validation of Windows and Office license tokens. If corrupted, the system will report Windows is not genuine. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Sppobjs Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Sppobjs Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please use caution. Replacing Sppobjs Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Sppobjs Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Sppobjs Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.